Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to download CoinStats application on your iPhone. So let's get started right away. Start off by making sure that you have connected your iOS device to a stable internet. And once it's done, open your App Store. Go to the search box and type in CoinStats and search. Soon after you find this application from CoinStats App LLC, go ahead and tap on the Get button to begin downloading the app. CoinStats is a cryptocurrency portfolio tracking and management platform that provides users with real-time information and insights about their cryptocurrency holdings. Simply tap on the Get button to begin downloading the app and you will be able to install your CoinStats application on your device right away. So that's how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.